It is our afternoon chats and kicks with Mr. Will Bauman. Hello. Very excited to be here, are we? Yes, yes we are. And how are our legs? Are they ready for some kicks? Very nice. Are we warming up slowly? Very good. Get the blood flowing. Get the hiccups going. So, do you have anything you want to share with us today that we need to start off with? You can't talk because the hiccups are in your way? How are the arms? They're a little flaily today. Oh! Oh, that sounds like a concern. What happened? What is the concern? Darn these hiccups. Say hi! Oh! I guess... Ooh, there you go. Nah! Ooh. Those hiccups will go away one day. Huh, baby? You're thinking about it, aren't you? I guess we'll have to come back for when we have actual words, or letters, or vowels, sounds of some sorts.